Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions on this WORKPRO folding utility box cutter knife sent to me by the seller for evaluation, available to you on Amazon. I'm going to get right down to it. This is absolutely the best box cutter utility knife I've ever had. Okay, so if you have a need for a knife like this, utility knife, box cutter, that type of thing, chances are you've already used one before. One of the things that I really love about this utility knife is how easy it is to use, how compact it is, and how versatile it is. Its design is very much like you would find in a small switchblade pocket knife. You just open it up and it locks in place. And it uses standard size razor blades, and it comes with a whole pack of them. To close it, you just push in just like that. For me, one of the best things about this is when it comes time to change the blade. With a traditional box cutter knife, there's a screw in the middle. You have to undo that screw. It comes apart in pieces. You have to put the blade back there, screw it back in place. It takes time. Sometimes I even mess it up. I don't get them lined up right. It's awful. With this, all you do is push this little lever up and you can move the blade in and out easily, changing the blade in seconds. It also comes with a utility clip on the back. You can put it on your pants. You can put it on the back of a bag, anything that you might be carrying in your backpack, something like that. Very easy to carry. It fits in a pocket. And like I said, it's got the clip here that'll fit on a belt or pants or something like that. What is this good for? Well, the first thing that comes to my mind is anybody who happens to work in a warehouse or a factory or something like that, where you've got a lot of boxes coming in and out that you have to open up quickly, but you don't want to have to carry a knife around with you. You just want to maybe put it on your pants or your belt. This is perfect for that. If you are in any type of business, clothing or retail, where you've got shipments of boxes coming in and you need to open them on the fly, this is great for that as well. It's also perfect for around the house. For me personally and professionally, I love this WORKPRO folding utility knife and box cutter. I have so many uses for it. I'm really excited to have it. It feels built well. It's easy to use, versatile, easy to carry around, has a lot of benefits to anybody who's looking for a box cutter. It works for me. It is a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.